Only the Hoovers can.
You can't. You can't. I can. You can. Only. Oh yeah. Only 8 trades. Only. I mean. Only Hoover
Exactly.
games because not all them from 8
Baby
trades.
little Crip,
He's from
nigga, I'm over
7-4.
here, nigga.
She's
Grape
from
Street,
107. And who the fuck is
That's
he?
so yeah, nigga.
Oh shit, we
He
got
said, "Baby,
a
look,
great
Crip over here. What's the deal?"
I'm over here.
I don't
That's
know
so
where Kev
yeah,
popped
nigga.
up from, but he on your 8 trade.
Hey, nigga,
From
never
the Hoovers to watch. He on this motherfucker. Okay.
The life is going crazy.
I ain't never needed to do this. That's so great.
Who's making that sound?
Man, you got all these gay
Why
ass
she
niggas on
making
here.
the yelling that sound in the back though?
You
No,
got
that's
Arabians and shit on
Who
here.
is that, Brandy? Tell her to stop yelling.
Oh, younger they got
Tell her
Arabians
start.
and all type of shit on here.
You got a rape.
Over, man. That's probably
Fifth person.
Oh,
that's probably
We don't
that's
do
probably
fives.
the
We
nigga
don't
that
do fours,
own the store,
baby.
bro.
yeah, on Grape Street.
Oh no,
We don't do no fives.
fives. We do
We
fives for my
only go up
50s.
to
For my
4. Ain't no
50s. For my
95th
We don't do no
Street, no
fives.
For my
105th
50s.
Street,
For
no.
my 50s, yes we do.
Oh yeah, y'all do.
We went up to 4.
We don't do
Kilometers.
fight, Crip, no. We don't do fight,
What? Hey,
No,
that's
we
so
do
great.
it
Hey,
2.
we
We
gotta
don't do the
do. We gotta
5. We
do
whack the
plugs and
5.
everything.
If y'all know the truth, we whack the
Yeah.
5.
Hey,
We
we
do
don't
the
do
2 and we do the 9. That's it. We don't do 5s, bro. We whack the 5,
Hey, bro,
do the
y'all
2 and the 9.
my shit with
Stay
all
humble.
that.
Hey man. Hey, little bro. Hey, little bro got old. He got
What?
hoes older than me on G. Yo.
What happened?
Bro,
He said I
We
was
don't
older
do
than me.
sissies, the
Hey,
716
EBK, bro.
with the 6
I
EBK.
swag.
forgot.
Hey, I made a little banger. I put your
06.
name in. It go like this. It go like.
We
Y'all got
got
fans
What
hella
I
on
said,
here.
bitches
I
out
said,
here in
what the fuck
Seattle.
did
They
I say?
active as
I
hell.
said, I made it to sit down
Fuck
at the top
That's
of
bitches
little
all
and
y'all.
bossy.
hoes.
All
Ain't no
y'all out here do
GTA.
gang
Ain't
banging.
no
That's all
fairy
niggas
tale
doing.
nigga
Y'all
doing
out here
GTA
gang
shit.
banging.
Nigga.
I said,
That's just all
Trey,
that our
Trey,
shit is all about,
what?
nigga. Entertainment purpose. This is
Trey,
entertainment only.
what are you
This
talking
is
about?
only
EBK, who you talking
entertainment.
about?
This is for entertainment purposes only.
What are you
This is for
talking about? I'm
entertainment.
confused.
Entertainment purposes only.
gotta ask somebody else. Gotta ask.
Hey,
Bro.
I'm off of
Entertainment
here. There ain't
purposes,
no
bro.
hoes on here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beat it. Ain't nothing but gang banging on
All right,
here.
man. We
So
finna add
ain't
it.
no hoes on here. If you ain't gang banging, beat it. Beat that. This is for entertainment purposes only.
Only famous game members.
Cause you know they like to put us on YouTube.
We gotta ask somebody
So this is
moving,
only
bro.
for
Where
entertainment
these niggas
purposes
at?
only.
Why
They like
everybody?
to put motherfuckers on YouTube.
Same person.
Can I hold?
I made a little
How
banger.
about now?
Hey,
Hey,
wait.
they always get on here saying his
How
fucking
about
shit.
no?
You don't wanna add. You don't wanna add, cuz.
He said only famous gang
Niggas is
bangers.
bunk, bro. Who finna get added?
When niggas doing
Start
that,
adding random people.
bro, I already tried to. They don't want to get
Add some
added.
random people.
They just watch you if they nosy ass.
Alright.
All right, tell him send request. He said LiveMedia logging in. That mean they just start recording. Man, get your bitch ass off here. Talking about he weird, bro. Look, I'm gonna tell you now. The Hoovers didn't have anything. Wild LiveMedia on this motherfucker.
Bro, we're
Hoovers
not
didn't have
talking
anything
about
to do
that.
with Pop Smoke.
Look,
First of all,
no.
we're
Live
from
Media is
South
on here,
Central.
bro. Live Media TV is
I'm
on here.
just letting them
End the
know.
whole thing, bro.
We're
End the
from
whole
South
thing. They
Central.
gonna
We
end up
don't have
putting us
nothing to do with Hollywood.
on YouTube, bro. Look, Live Media logged in. They just set their log there. Bro, they're gonna have us on YouTube, bro.
He said, bro, look, LiveMedia log in. Hold on. He said, fry Crip. He said,
Look,
fry
Live
Crip.
Media
That's
stay
gay.
posting
What's
niggas.
wrong with him?
Look, they're
He said,
saying it, bro.
yeah, he did.
Treyway, remember?
Oh yeah, with her bunk ass iPhone. She got that new ass iPhone.